Go to Settings. In Settings, go to Notification Center. In Notification Center, you can see here the notification style. There are two types of notification style, the lock screen and the banners. So for my example here in lock screen, if you tap this, you can see here below the application. Use this lock screen notification. So for my example, the calendar. So if you want to turn off the switch button on the right side of this calendar, the calendar is set into hide notifications. This calendar is not use this lock screen notification. So if you want to turn on again, the calendar is use this lock screen notification. So go back and go to banner. Here in banner, so sample the calendar. So if you turn off the switch button on the right side of this calendar is not use the banner notification on your mobile phone. So if you want to turn on again, switch button on the right side, this calendar use this banner notification. And